Hi, it's Zach, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the Reheatza. This 12.5-inch pan will give your food oven-quality crispness straight from the microwave. You might have seen this on TV. In fact, let's check out the commercial.
What you need is Reheatza, the new microwave crisping and reheating miracle.
Now turn last night's leftover dinner into a crispy, crunchy winner. It's easy. Just place any food on the cooking surface, cover with lid, and pop in the microwave. Wow! Finally, leftover pizza with a golden, crispy crust. Reheatza quickly revives last night's fries and brings back the crunch to any fried food so they taste just like the day you got them, guaranteed. The secret is a specially designed base that cooks like a grill up to 400 degrees.
Listen for yourself.
Go ahead, crisp chicken nuggets, pizza rolls, or mozzarella sticks faster than preheating an oven.
Got leftovers?
With Reheatza, you'll always get that crispy crunch you crave right from your microwave. Best of all, the custom vented lid circulates heat evenly, infusing flavor into food, and the non-stick surface means everything wipes clean with ease. Even make toasted grilled cheese that's crispy outside, gooey and delicious inside. Now let's load up Reheatza with marshmallows, and quicker than starting a campfire, perfect s'mores for everyone. And look, it's the ultimate way to reheat leftover chicken wings, restore the crunch to yesterday's garlic bread, even toast tortillas for a crunchy, cheesy quesadilla.
Finally, get that crispy crunch you crave right from the microwave.
Isn't that incredible? And we have a phenomenal closeout price on the Reheatza right now, so head on over to the site and grab yours today.